Ooh, nice. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an update on the Model 3 adjustable screen mount kits. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And my name is Matt, and this is Tech Forum. If you're new to the channel, you probably are unaware of anything related to me or the channel or my Tesla Model 3. And I do modifications to my car. You can tell I've got this Formula One inspired, sort of Tesla designed but never marketed steering wheel that I made from scratch. I've got a Samsung tablet mounted in front of the wheel as a gauge binnacle, running the Scan My Tesla app to give me pertinent data of the car as I drive. And also, if you're sharp, you'll notice that the screen is mounted differently. Well, I make an adjustable screen mount kit for this. It lowers the screen about 1 3/4 inches. It pitches it forward about 9 degrees to re-angle it toward your line of sight, and it is side-to-side angle adjustable. The height and the forward-rear pitch angle are fixed, but the left-right sweep angle is adjustable. And that's a kit that I started marketing. I invented it in September of 2019, started marketing it in October, and I have been inundated with orders. It's been very, very hard to keep up. Well, as of today, I am officially completely caught up on all pending orders. Every last order shipped out, except for one very recent order that I got yesterday, I believe. But other than that, all the pending orders, all the back orders, everything done, shipped. And as a celebration of this, and as a sort of celebration of Tesla's high delivery numbers and profitability, and just an overall 2 thumbs up to them as a company, I have decided to discount the screen mount kits down. They used to be $285, including worldwide shipping. I lowered that down $40 to $245, including worldwide shipping combined, so essentially free shipping. I've done that. I was able to do that in a couple of because of a couple of things. One, we've gotten production streamlined, all the packing, all the work that my wife and I and a couple people that help us out do, we've been able to streamline. But also the primary thing is I've been negotiating with the machinist. He bought a new CNC milling machine to machine the aluminum parts more rapidly, and I purchased a larger quantity of parts from him, and I was able to buy down the production cost per kit. So I'm able to pass that savings along to you guys. So again, $245, free worldwide shipping for the month of February, all the way through the end of the month. So I will put a link in the description below to my Shopify page. Go ahead, go down there, click on the adjustable screen mount kit ordering link, and I also make a modified steering wheel you'll see on my page. Not this one, but a cut top round wheel. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys an update. And if you do click that link to order a new screen mount, we're caught up on back orders, but just barely. We do have most of the parts in stock, but we're producing more. So there's probably about a 1 to 2 week delay in shipping. The page says 2 to 3 weeks. It's more like 1 to 2 weeks delay in shipping, just so you know. But go ahead and place an order. And for those that have asked about right-hand drive kits that will pitch the screen the other way for right-hand drive cars, that is in the works. I was hoping to have that done by January, but we've continued to get more and more orders for the left-hand drive kits. And so the machinist would have to put left-hand drive kit orders or kit manufacturing on sort of on hold while he makes the right-hand drive kits, just because of the nature of the way they're set up. And so he wants to produce, and I agree, to produce as many left-hand drive kits as we can for the time being, wait for there to be quite a lull in orders, then shift over right away, maybe produce a surplus of left-hand drive kits, shift over to right-hand drive kits and start punching those out. So those are coming, they are coming, but far more of the world is left-hand drive than right, and so we want to make sure that we get all our ducks in a row to make sure that we don't end up with a big backlog of left-hand drive kits before we put the right-hand drive kits in production. So that's the update. Again, there'll be a Shopify link below to those that want to order the kit. You'll see pictures of the kit. A quick description is it is a two-piece CNC machined billet aluminum kit, and stainless steel hardware, screws and washers, and a padded fabric black canvas and Velcro sleeve to replace the plastic shroud that went around the original mount behind it. You can no longer use a metal shroud because the screen is now angle adjustable, so it has to be soft and flexible. So that shroud is replaced. There's a new cabin temperature sensor mount that the kit comes with, full instructions. So it even comes with the Allen wrench that's needed to do the install. So it's a complete kit. So anyway, I think that's it for today. If you guys have any questions about the kit or about the channel or any of the other modifications I've done to the car, leave the question in the comments section below. Oh, and if you guys have a kit and you want to post something about it in the comments section for those that are curious about it and am I really shipping these things and all that, by all means leave a comment in the comments section below. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Have yourselves a wonderful day, and as always, stay charged. Bye-bye now.